I'm Sean with Autel. Congratulations on the purchase of your KM100 Universal Key Generator. Like any new tool purchase, I'm sure you're excited and want to program your first key. But I want to cover a few steps first to make your ownership experience world-class. First, let's talk about some best practices for battery management. The KM100 is shipping with some juice in it, so you can start using it right off the bat. We recommend waiting until the battery is depleted before charging, and to avoid keeping it constantly connected to power. Plugging the unit in before you leave for the evening is an excellent habit to develop. Inside the hard case, you will find the KM100, the VCI V200, 2 IQ universal keys, and the power adapter. Once you fire up your KM100, you will need to accept the disclaimer that appears on the bottom. After this, your first step should be connection to a Wi-Fi network, which you will find in Settings, System Settings, then WLAN. Once you toggle on the WLAN, select your network and enter your password to join. Once you are on Wi-Fi, you will need to register your new tool. This can be done quickly and easily right on your tablet or at pro.autel.com. Select Register. If you already have an Autel account, simply sign in with your account ID and your password. For first-time Autel buyers, click on the Create an Autel Account button on the bottom. Enter your email, then click Verification Code. Now check your email for the verification code sent by the system. Next, enter the verification code and enter a password. Now, click Register. Once it has been created, you must register the tool. Click Register. The serial number and the password will pre-populate. You simply need to click Register. Next, and this is perhaps the most important step, you need to ensure that your software is up to date. Once the list populates, start with the system programs here on the top. Allow them each to install. Then continue on with the brands that you service mainly in your shop. After you complete these updates, power up and connect your VCI 200. Go into Settings, VCI Manager, and allow it to connect. Once connected, select Firmware Upgrade and allow it to check for updates. If there's a new version, select it and allow it to install. Please note, it is important to not leave this screen until the update is installed. At this point, you can begin using your KM100 in the shop. If you need further help navigating or have vehicle-specific questions, be sure to check the description for links to our video library, as well as a full manual in searchable PDF format. As always, our U.S. technical support team is always willing to help you one-on-one at 1-855-AUTEL-US. We thank you for joining the Autel family and welcome you to visit us at autel.com for information on our full family of products.